Okay, welcome to another problem from 5.7 worksheet practice A. In this particular problem, we want to look at these three inequalities, and we want to match which one of these inequalities matches this particular line. And you'll notice that the line is a dotted line, so that means it is greater than or equal to. Okay, so what that means is that the solution, I have the solution area shaded. So if I pick any of these coordinate points, then I will have a possible solution, not including this line. Okay, so everything below the line, not including the dotted line, is a possible solution. So let's begin. So I want to first look at my y-intercept point right here. Okay, so that tells me that my b, okay, so I want to make my equation y equals mx plus b, and my b here is going to be a -3. Okay, so here I have none of these are -3, so that's a little bit of a problem. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to systematically go one by one and work them out, change them into my y equals mx plus b to see which one matches what I'm looking for. Okay, so this one right here, I'm going to add x to both sides, and that'll leave me with y is greater than positive x plus 3. So that is not this line here, because my b is a positive 3. That would be my intercept would have been over here. Okay, so that's not going to work for us. Okay, all right. So let's take a look. At the next one. Let me change colors here. Okay, so here I'll have I'm going to subtract x on both sides, right? So I end up with negative y is greater than negative x plus 3. Now I have a -1 attached to my y, so I want to multiply by a -1. Okay, so multiplying by -1 will help me get rid of that negative sign. So then I must multiply this entire thing by -1 also. Okay, so -1 times -1 will give me a positive y greater than, and then I'm going to distribute this -1 into both of these terms. So -1 times -x will give me a positive x. -1 times positive 3 will give me a -3. Well, if I look here, now I have a b that's -3 and a slope that's 1 over 1. So let's see here, slope 1 over 1, 1 over 1, 1 over 1. So yes, that is in fact my correct line. So that means, let me erase what I have. That means that my solution is this inequality. This inequality matches, when I change this inequality into my slope-intercept form, it matches the graph that I have in the problem. Okay, good luck in your studying.